This is the GARVEE Towallmark 3-tier folding utility cart. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the cart itself as well as a little instruction sheet showing you how to expand it. It's folded up right now. As you see, I can turn it right here. That's all the space it's going to take up when it's not in use. Now let's go ahead and unfold it. There's a velcro strap that you take off, and then just take the cart down like that and lock it in place just there. Now let me reposition the camera. I want to show you more about it, and then of course we'll test it out. This is the back of the cart. It has these red support metal bars, if you will. This cart is going to hold 56 pounds per shelf, and obviously you have 3 shelves. That's a total of 168 pounds. The cart itself weighs only 15, so it's real easy to take around. Each shelf is 23 inches by 15 inches. The cart is 23 by 15 by 32, and there's approximately 12 inches between the shelves for your height in between them there. There are 4 casters. 2 of them are locking and the other 2 are freewheeling, so to speak, and it has rubber on the handles. So it's real easy to move around. I can spin it right around. No problem. Wheel it in any direction. Really nice and easy to move. And you got a nice amount of room on here. So let's load some stuff up. So here's a socket set. We'll put that, gonna need that today. Jug of oil, need that. Some super clean, in case we gotta clean anything up. And a can of super lube. And that's only the top shelf. Second shelf, I got a cordless impact wrench. We'll stick that on there. And another socket set, because you just never know. Here's a utility knife and a hammer. Put those right there. And of course, safety third, your safety goggles. And now we can just wheel this out to the car. Everything you need is right on the cart. And then of course you could apply the brakes on the wheels just like that. And just like that, and now it doesn't want to go, which is perfect. It'll stay in place. To fold it up, you have the handle here. This locks in place, so you pull it and then you can pick it up like that, and then the whole cart will just go and fold in just like that, and then we'll turn it around here and put the velcro back so it stays, and there you go. All around a really handy cart. Folds up nice and small so it's out of the way and always ready at a moment's notice. Once again, this was the GARVEE Towallmark 3-tier utility cart. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description to where you can find this item available for sale. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.